Hey, it's me, I feel like shit on my own. Listen, I'm sorry, I blew up your phone. Are you free next week? I'm hella alone. Was it me? Was it you? Was there some kind of...
都太高了，垃圾桶了。跟纸币斗上。
I hate this conversation. So high on this moon. You're running low on patience. Maybe it's really me. Guess I don't get the message. Never thought I'd get this low, 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 low. Always made fun of people who act the way I do. They say it's so pathetic until it gets to you. I know I've learned my lesson. Never thought I'd act this low, 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 low. Hey, it's me. I feel like shit on my own. Listen, I'm sorry. I blew up your phone. Are you free next week? I'm hella alone. Was it me? Was it you? Was there some
AI 终究是统治不了世界。
Just say the word and I'm gone. It's been 4 long years. It's time to move on. Oh, I know I suck at letting this go. Was it me? Was it you? Was there some kind of undertone? There are all these other people that can me, but you're turning all the lights off and I can see. Don't leave me hanging on a thread 'cause it's breaking me. I think it's time to leave. I think it's time to leave.